This is the two social media accounts. One is called Facebook and Twitter. Suppose you are doing for one new post on the Facebook. That is called you can schedule or maybe we can publish for at a time once a. The scheduled post will be option call is available for up to 6 months. Automatic schedule for new post on your Facebook and Twitter. That is called your Facebook profile and Facebook page integrated for where your Twitter profile. That is called option call is facebook.com/Twitter. That Twitter. Suppose your specific page is there. You can schedule any post on. See this one. You can insert any one page here. So my page will be Digital Rakesh. Control F. Now here. Already connected with where? Twitter profile. Remember, when a schedule will be Facebook to Twitter, one drawback is there. Image to schedule is not appear for Twitter wall. Always you schedule with the link. That is called, go to your Facebook exact page. Okay. Go to your website. Which one are you promoting? First of all, copy the main URL. Select your page. I have scheduled my post for up to 6 months of time. So right now scheduled for where? My Facebook page to Twitter. Select here. Just open your post option. The page was loaded here. Now click. Remember, when you schedule your post, through image will not appear. Through link will be appear on your Facebook to Twitter, and you can schedule also. Just copy your link. In this link, first of all, select your image. Image total understand your website thing. Go to project one. Select it. Select here. This part select image. Image done. So here. Image appear. Now click for using an option. Digital marketing. Website design. Logo design. Voilà. Development. Just come to here. Click for option called schedule. The schedule will be accepted for another next 10 minutes. Click for schedule. Click for schedule post. Again post for your Facebook page and your Twitter wall also. Why? The page integrated with your Twitter profile wall. This is called schedule new post on anytime Facebook and Twitter also. Here they can using Hootsuite also. The Hootsuite will be not a free. The trial version will be applicable for the 1 month for 3 social network only. After more social network can using for some other option. So 3 networks, Google Plus, LinkedIn, Instagram we using for Hootsuite. But automatic schedule purpose we can using for Facebook to Twitter integration. Facebook page will be scheduled, automatic schedule for Facebook page and Twitter profile also. Don't using any tools on your Twitter schedule purpose. When integrate for page to Twitter, automatic schedule on page, integrate for Twitter also. This is called schedule on new post on Facebook page and Twitter profile wall.